I've seen the most incredible things that I've ever seen in technology since I arrived. There are such impressive projects being worked on, and it looks like it's getting better and better. And I met these amazing guys who have made this cool thing called the MagicShifter, which comes in many different colors. And you can literally draw whatever you want on your phone, and it connects to this device, and you shake it like this.
We just stood like in the darkness and played for like 1.5 hours, just like having fun, right? And people like stopped and watched us, and I also wanted to try out, so like really good, like getting involved with other people, and yeah, it's cool. It's really good fun.
You know, you give the MagicShifter in the hand of a kid, you give the MagicShifter in the hand of a normal person, and is immediately impressed by it because of how simple it works and the interesting functionalities into it. And of course, if you give it to a nerd or somebody that is techie, then he loves it even more because there are many other interesting functions, like the moon landing. I remember that was the most impressive for me.